66 El Camino. There you can see we're going about 6,500 or 65 miles an hour, between 60 and 65, about 2,500 RPM. So nice cruising gears. Exhaust isn't overwhelming, just nice little sound to it. Goes down the road good, steering wheel doesn't shake or anything. Just a little bit off from straight. Nice driving car there. You know, we hit a bump. We didn't have any big rattles or anything. Everything works on it as you've seen in my running video. It says power brakes, power front disc brakes, power steering, upgraded aluminum radiator, aftermarket air conditioning. So it's just it's ready to enjoy. Great look, great color, and in great condition. It runs and drives good. So, and you can see the pictures underneath. Nice solid car. So we're gonna turn around up here. I'll try to go through the gears. It's hard with a manual, but I'll show you the downshifts at least. Shift's really nice and smooth. Brakes work well. Nice to have the power steering. A lot of these El Caminos of this age were pretty bare bones, or this one's equipped really nice. So. Nice shifting car, nice driving car. Any questions? 605-695-7391.